Hey guys, so this is just a preview of the Cloud Links 2.0 that we can build with YACSS now. I'll put up the full video tomorrow, but this is just a preview. So it'll only be a couple of minutes here. So the process and the way that I build Cloud Links now in YACSS is that I use the Topical map builder to find topics and build out meta titles, article titles. So for example, for the keyword AI schema generator, I built this small topical map here. I can just click expand and collapse. So for example, Google AI API integration. Then I get these block titles, or let's see here, local business schema creation. For this topic, I get these block titles here. So that's step one. I'll show tomorrow how to do that, or how to build this topical map. And step two is to go into the prompts here. So these are the user prompts. For example, this prompt here, I had ChatGPT actually write this prompt for me because we produce meta titles in the topical map builder. We have a target URL, we have the keywords, we have the audience, keyword definition, negative keywords. All that is produced by the topical map builder, and we can actually put those into the prompts. So the prompt will be a dynamic prompt actually. So you're writing a high quality human sounding article with the title, and then the meta title will be produced by the topical map builder. So that's step two. And step three is to go into the mass page builder here and go down to select the look of the cloud site, right? And step three is importing the topical map. And I can, let's see, accurate entity information, automated JSON LD generation. I only want to, because I want this to be fast. So let me just create 3 or 4 articles, something like that. These 4 articles here. And let's click preview. So now I have the preview. Of course, I don't have the content yet, but you can see I have these 2 topics here: automated JSON LD generation and Google API integration. And then I can move on to actually produce the content itself. And here, this is where I select my prompts. So this is the prompt that I just showed you just before. And then I can select another prompt, super duper long. So this is another prompt that I made myself. And this super duper long is essentially, it's a very basic prompt. Write a super duper long article about the meta title. So a very basic prompt. So I'll go into details about tomorrow why we have option to create or add more prompts. But the reason that we have this option and I can add more prompts also is because the system will then cycle between these prompts. And let me actually just, so the system will cycle between these prompts. So each page will not be produced by the same prompt, but it will be a different prompt for each page, because we know that's something that Google's looking at, that it's looking at patterns and pattern recognition, and they're also counting the amount of words that you have on each page. So if the amount of words is more or less the same on each page, it's kind of like a sign of automation, right? So we have taken care of that, so you can just add your own prompts. I mean, have ChatGPT produce 5 or 10 different prompts and just insert them here, and each page will be unique. Image SEO, let me just, this is search engine optimization. So I will import from Unsplash, marketing, landscape, one more, this one. So now I have these 4. And I will also have content images. That's also something that I like to include also in my cloud sites. So yeah, this doesn't, if you haven't seen YACSS before, it doesn't make sense for you, and don't worry, I'll explain everything tomorrow in a longer video. It's just a preview. Yeah, so you can see here how it looks. So now we have the image banner up here. Let me see, we also want content and images. And let's see here, build settings, and let me set this to 1. So you can add target URLs. Because I want to boost Schema Writer. And I can actually add, I can add additional outgoing links. I don't want to do that. But anyway, so I think that the preview, yeah, so you can actually, so this is one of the pages, and you can see the preview with the background image here. But let me just click generate routes. And now it's generating in the background, and it's writing 4 articles I can see here. Let me click pause. So while it's generating, I'll just show you that we have the GPP rank tracker here in YACSS. We have the local SEO module where we can build driving directions and all that stuff, and Google Stacks. We have the Wikipedia entities. Let's see, search engine optimization. So if I search for this keyword here, that's this while the website is generating. So if I search for this keyword here, it actually connects to Wikipedia, and then it finds all of the related entities, and it uses machine learning and vector embeddings to find the relations between the entities, and then that's how it sorts them. You can see here. So apparently we found an entity before that has something to do with water slides. I don't know what that is. Water slides here. So that's just one of the applications that we have in YACSS. We also have an AI image generator, AI keyword generator, AI content generator, EXIF data. So we have an application inside of YACSS where you can put keywords inside of the metadata and EXIF data of the images. That's something I use this for all of my YouTube videos. I do image SEO with the EXIF data for all of my blog posts also. That's something that I do for my Parasite SEO properties because it is a little bit time consuming. It's kind of like an extra step, but it's something that I do. Yeah, so now it finished, and the application found all of found all of the related entities that you can see here and sourced them. So all of these are entities from Wikipedia, and all of these are actually related keywords also from Wikipedia. So that's something unique inside of the SEO community that you can actually do that. Anyway, let me go back to my websites. So now it's done. So this is what I want to show you. And let's click the preview here. And this is an article, one of the articles. So yeah, so these are the 4 articles, and I can let me just see here. I can. So we have these internal links here. So what I can do now is I can upload this guy, dude, to the clouds. Let's take Amazon here, and let's take this account, and let's take a buckets cloud link example 1, create, and upload. And let's see, now it's done. Copy, and it's done, and it's uploaded to the clouds. So this is what it looks like, and you can see the interlinks work here. Google API integration with content there, and with content there. So that's and then the About Us page. So everything is auto-generated, and included in these websites are also advanced web page schema. So if you right-click and view source code, you'll be able to scroll down and see here we have these the schema included in the source code, without for you having the need to do anything. But yeah, so this was just a quick example. I used 10 minutes of your time. But anyway, you get the idea. So tomorrow I will publish a longer tutorial where I show how I create these cloud sites and how I use them for Parasite SEO and for link building also, because they're extremely powerful. You can check here S3, Amazon, AWS, domain authority 93 and page authority 46. That's why we actually use these cloud sites. If you haven't seen such a cloud site before, this is why we use them, because of their immense domain authority. So yeah, I hope you like the preview. Take care, guys. I'll see you in the next one.